Limon, check out what I can do. Slime, that's why they call me Limelight. What can you do? What you got?
Yeah, well, I got a cursed lemon.
This ain't no cursed lemon. This is more like a...
Yeah,
what is this?
It's an avocado. But I got a cursed lemon.
Really? What happens if you...
You get bad luck for like a whole 5 minutes.
What? No! Man, now I'm gonna be late to class. Oh, man.
I just don't understand people sometimes. You know, like, I'm only trying to help. I'm here to help people. I just want to, like, see them succeed and know how to cook and learn all the good things about life and food and love. But Thurgood, he gets under my skin and I want to crush him. I'm gonna get him.
Why the long face, space chick?
Leave me alone.
Oh, does Rocket Boy not know that you like him?
It's Rocket Man!
Rocket
Man! Rocket Man!
Call this guy the Jiggler.
It's the giggler and the
Principal's gonna walk, don't you?
Principal's coming. They're coming.
Silence. So you know all of you are here in detention. Some of you didn't turn in your assignments in today. Others of you don't know how to listen in class, and some of you are just plain evil. Principal Sweet has something to say.
Now you listen up, you scurvy bunch. You only get 2 chances. One is here, and the other one I'll tell you about in a minute. If you screw it up here, then you come to see me in my office, and you don't want to know what happens next.
Listen, Doctor. It's not easy being a god. Especially when you're the older brother of Thor. When you're really Odin's son, you are worthy. You don't need some title, you don't need some armor, you just need a nice suit and a big hammer to make legal affairs come to fruition. It's hard though. He takes all the girls, all the glory, and I'm left sitting in an office, prancing around with my luscious locks not getting any attention?
Listen to me. You know sure enough was the flyest guy on campus. I mean, I had the hair, I had the moves, I had everything. Wasn't scared of anyone or anything until Death Choke showed up. He's been choking people out left and right. I'm scared.
I guess, so I grew up on a lemon farm. My mother, Maya, and my father, Meyer, wonderful people. They raised me, and then one day, when just can't. One day, the pesticides people came. And, it was all in from there, but I got away. But naturally, I was a premature lemon because I was kind of picked prematurely, so I developed depression, and that went into personality disorder, so it's hard, I'm sorry.
Hey, Rocket Man.
Hey, Space Chick.
Hi.
Hi.
I love your rocket backpack.
Oh, really? Thank you.
Can you turn it on?
I can. You want to see?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. Hey, pretty cool, huh?
You're so cool.
Yeah, so you like rockets, huh?
I love rockets.
Me too. So, what's your favorite part about space?
Oh, no gravity.
Oh.
You just fall and fall and fall.
Hi, my name's Uni. I'm a unicorn. And just like all other unicorns, I poop candy. I can't help it, I can't stop it, but the kids love it, but the teachers, they don't understand. So, That's me.
Well, when I was just a little girl, I just started seeing inside everything. I could see inside animals and food, and I could see all the ingredients and everything just moving around, and it just really started to mess with me, you know? But eventually I just started embracing it, and I think it really helped with like my culinary skills. You know, seeing inside all the food, I could figure out which intestines taste better with other intestines and all of that, all that good stuff. So that's why, honestly, I think that I should be running the school.
I don't really know what everybody's talking about, this whole good and bad thing. I mean, I think I'm good. I'm not bad, you know? Like, I'm just in it for the food, honestly. You get a free meal out of it, so that's why I'm here.
Hey kids, it's me, Rocket Man, here to talk to you about the importance of eating your vegetables. Every time you eat your vegetables, you help fight against the forces of evil. And if you want to be strong like Rocket Man, you gotta do what you're supposed to do. Well, that's all for today, kids. We'll see you next time.